This landing page costs $5,000 and Claude Code built this thing in one session. This is Flow AI, a fictional SaaS product. Dark luxury static, scroll animations, animated pricing cards. And before I touch Claude Code, I installed 5 skills. That's the part most people skip, and that's why their builds look like AI made them. The generic term nowadays is AI slop, and skills can fix that. Skills are instruction files that live in your project. Claude reads them before it writes a single line of code. In today's video, we will install 5 skills. Each one does one specific job. Skill 1, taste skill. This is the visual director. Think of it as giving Claude Code a sense of style before it builds anything, because by default, Claude has terrible taste. We're going to install high-end visual design, which sets the feeling, either expensive, calm, or premium. Also, we have design-taste-frontend. It reads your briefs, infers your design language, and tunes variance, motion, and density before Claude starts writing. Skill 2, UI UX Pro Max skill. It is the design database. 67 UI styles, 161 color palettes. Claude queries this for your specific project. The first command installs the CLI tool globally on your machine. The second command installs the UI UX Pro Max skill in your project's Claude folder. Skill 3, Impeccable. It is a skill that acts like a senior designer reviewing Claude's work after it builds. It has Impeccable typeset, which audits every font design, and Colorize, which audits the color system. Skill 4, inference.sh landing page design. The skills we installed now think of how the website looks. This one thinks about whether it actually works. So instead of having just a beautiful website, this one makes sure that your CTA, your hero section, placement, everything can convert someone looking at your website. Skill 5, Motion.dev animations. This skill teaches Claude Code how animations actually work before it writes a single one. Every animation on the page uses Spring Physics, runs on the GPU, and hits 60 FPS. Also, the library that I always use with Claude Code is Framer Motion. It beats plain CSS when it comes to writing animations and visual effects, so make sure to also install it. Here's the prompt that we will use. We start off by explaining to Claude what are we building. Then we give it a brief on the skills that it has available. Then of course the tech stack that we're going to use, the design system, specifying what colors it must use, typography, and design stuff. Also, it is important to specify the sections you want to have, for example the pricing section or the CTA section. And without the skills we installed, all of this prompt will generate AI slop. So let's copy paste this prompt into Claude Code, select Opus 4.8 and hit enter. And the result is Impeccable. We start off with the nav bar and going straight into the hero section showcasing the product, and below shows what kind of team uses this product, which established credibility. And let's also note how great the design and the animations are, and you can also see the pricing section and the call to action section right below, and the footer is at the end of the website. Of course, the nav bar are fully functional and takes you to the correct section. So to make Claude design these kind of websites, the skills we installed make it a god tier designer. And this only cost me 1 session. And the prompts I designed are just some back and forth questions with Claude Chat for it to understand what the website should look like, and it will generate a prompt for me. The commands and the prompt can be found in the GitHub link in the description. Try it out on your own, and also check out 2 of my favorite Claude Code workflows. I'll see you in these 2 videos.